Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. No, I don't have a twin. Rather, I have just installed this awesome workout mirror. This is from BOOLUU, and this mirror has added so much fun to my workout room. This mirror comes well packed with two 48 by 24 inch pieces. The pieces have a bracket that you install on the top and bottom, so they really stay in place once you have them installed on your wall. They even included little caps so that everything is nicely concealed and it's very neat and orderly looking. What I really love is that adding this into my workout room adds in a lot of help when it comes to my form and how I'm doing my exercise. If you don't end up using them in your workout room, these mirrors would be awesome really in any space. They are nice and big and wide, but they don't take up a ton of room. And I love that because of the top and bottom brackets, we didn't have to lay them completely low near the floor, but rather we could place them exactly where we wanted. So if you really want to know if you're doing your squats right, check out this mirror. It's like having your own personal form trainer at home in the form of a mirror, but that's just my point of view.